Welcome back to Trico's channel. Today we're going to talk about the best practices of setting up your lube room. So we've set up our shop here with a mock lube room to go over some topics that maybe you want to consider when setting up your lube room for best practices. So just a brief overview of what we have set up here. Starting with our fire safety cabinet, we have our grease inventory, we have our oil storage containers, we have our product stocking area, we have our filtration area, our 55-gallon drum area, our tank system, our bulk oil storage system, and finally our transfer carts. The first step in any lube room plan is to determine how much room you actually need. In order to do this, you need to determine what lubricants you're actually using and get rid of all the lubricants that you're not. Once you've determined what lubricants you're actually using, you need to find out how much lubricant you're using in a given period. That'll determine what purchase order quantities you need to purchase and ultimately what storage strategy you need to use, whether it be 55-gallon drums, oil storage tanks, or bulk oil storage systems. Lubricants need to be stored in a cool, dry, clean environment. So determine a location that is suitable, preferably in an indoor environment. If there's not enough room in an internal environment, climate-controlled external storage is a possibility. This may require budgetary considerations, so iterative steps may be necessary. Contamination control is probably the single greatest goal in lubrication storage. No matter what oil storage method you prefer, you want to be able to make sure you can filter your oil. You want to be able to filter your oil when dispensing into secondary containers or in a recirculating fashion. Another important aspect of controlling contamination in your stored lubricants is use of desiccant breathers. You want to apply your desiccant breathers to all types of storage systems, whether it be bulk oil storage systems, tank systems, or 55-gallon drums, to allow them to breathe and control moisture within those containers. Finally, if you need to use funnels for any reason, you want to get rid of your old metal or plastic reusable funnels because they are contamination magnets. What you want to use is disposable, one-time use funnels. Another major component of developing a lubrication storage area is developing a color coding system. These systems are specifically designed to prevent cross-contamination and using incorrect lubricants in application. You're going to want to implement a color coding system for all types of lubricants. Hang up wall charts and add color-coded tags or stickers to totes and/or drums. You're going to want to use a secondary transfer container that offers a wide variety of colors, like the Trico Spectrum line. Once you've completed setting up your lube room, you're going to want to establish a 5S program. 5S programs promote organization and cleanliness. The 5 S's stand for sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. Ben Franklin said it best, a place for everything and everything in its place. First, you're going to want to create a standard operating procedure for all lubricant handling activities to have everyone practice consistently correct methods. Then you're going to want to assign specific personnel to be accountable, ensuring it remains in showroom condition. If possible, use anti-slip paint for the floor and lubrication storage area and mark with yellow caution tape the area that the lubricants are being stored. Use spill containment systems whenever possible. And date stamp lubricants so proper first in and first out stock management can be employed. To make sure your lube room is following the best practices that we talked about in this video, we've designed a 26-point action item checklist that can be downloaded in the description of this video. That wraps up this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.